Hello everyone. So today I'm going to show you how to design a carousel effect in Figma. It's gonna be a scrolling effect. So let's get started. We're not gonna use any else software other than Figma. So the first thing you're gonna have to do is you're gonna have to draw a frame, just like I have created frames here, as you can see. So you're gonna create a frame according to your the size of the frame should be according to your choice and according to your design needs. So first of all, you have to draw 3 or 4 or 5 frames as you wish. The number of the frames is upon you. So we're gonna put the different images in using Unsplash plugin into these frames. We're gonna put different pictures into these frames just for the sake of the design. I'm gonna choose this one for the first frame, and for the second frame, let's see, this one looks good, and for the third frame I'm gonna choose this one. I'm choosing darker images because my overall design theme is dark, so that's why. And for the last one, this looks good. Okay, so now you're gonna have to now you will select the frames, all of the frames, and you're gonna have to put them on auto layout. Add auto layout here. You can use shift plus A for Windows shortcut key. So add auto layout. So once you have done that, you're gonna go to your design. I have already made this before. I'm gonna show you all of the I'm gonna show you all of it again. I'm gonna design it this in front of you. So first of all, you're gonna put this into your design. I'm just centering it. So one thing you're gonna have to make sure is that the edges of the elements into the frames and to the auto layout that you have created, and the design elements that I have grouped, these design elements should be overflowing from the original frame and from the original artboard, because you cannot create a auto layout scrolling carousel effect once you have already designed. The design is already into the frame already. So you have to extend your design elements. They have to overflow from the main artboard so that you can make the scrolling effect. Then you can move around them into horizontal scroll or into the vertical scroll. what the case might be for you. So now now I'm gonna choose ellipse tool. I'm gonna choose an ellipse tool. I'm gonna draw ellipse just like that, edge to edge. I'm gonna put them a little below that, right there. I'm gonna choose the background color for this shape. So that it creates effect, this kind of effect. I'm gonna duplicate it and put it into the other side of the elements, the downside of the elements. So now that it has done, now you can see it's like a cinematic effect. I cannot show, it's not visible right now. Maybe I'll change the pictures again so that we can actually see the design, because there is no contrast right now between the pictures and the background. So I'm gonna use Unsplash plugin again, and I'm gonna put the pictures into this design again. So let's use this one for the first design, and let's use this one for the second one, for the second frame. Okay, so yeah, let's use this one for the second frame, and let's use this one for the last frame. So now as you can see that it has made an effect, like a cinematic effect, where you can see the edges are more like extended on the upper side and the down side. So now I'm gonna make these elements into the scrolling effect. I'm gonna apply the scrolling effect on these elements. Let's select them all again and add auto layout. Once it as you can see, they are all grouped now, and they're under one layer. So I'm gonna go to prototype, and I'm gonna go to overflow scrolling, and I'm gonna change this to from no scrolling to horizontal scrolling. So as you can see, there's an error here. It's saying that for scrolling to work on this frame, the content needs to be bigger than the frame. So the contents, as I was mentioning earlier, that the contents have to be bigger than the frame. They are bigger, but we have to do one more thing. you have to press Control and make the edges make the edges of the masked rectangle uh, uh, to limit them to the original background artboard. You're gonna press Control for Windows and Command for Mac or Mac device. And you're gonna select the edge and limit it to the artboard itself. I'm gonna do this again on the left side. So now you'll see that the error that was showing before, it has disappeared now. So we're gonna test this. We're gonna go into prototype mode. So it's gonna update because it's a previous design that I have designed already. So let it update. So as you can see, the design has updated, and as you can see, the scrolling effect is in effect. It's you can see that the image is going into the rectangle and it's giving the cinematic effect. So I hope you guys have learned something from this video and have enjoyed it. So thank you for that, for watching this video. That's all it for today.